how-to video is going to be how to change your AC filter. If you have the same AC, you could copy this method. I change the filter and I'll clean it too. It's dirty. I'm too lazy. I don't clean it. You ever see that? How dusty it is. If you have the same AC, you can copy this method. I'm going to do the logos way. I'll show you step by step how to clean it. Yeah. First thing you have to do is what's called turn off your AC. There's a thunderstorm outside. You don't want to die in the middle of this process. Turn it off. Power off. Second step, you want to take what's called your cover off. Both sides. There we go. Shit. Look how dusty this is. Cover, and this is the filter. Look how dusty it is. Take this. Third step, you gotta wash both of these, the cover and the filter. My steps. Step 1 was disconnect the AC. We already did that. But now I'm just waiting on the cover and the filter to dry up. The 6th step is gonna be clean inside your AC. That's optional. You could do that. I'm gonna do that because it's dusty inside here too. Just get a Windex paper, clean it up. Yeah. Hold on. Hard to do this with recording and doing this at the same time. Spray a little bit. Then I just gotta clean this. I don't know if you can see that. Clean that. This shit's dirty. Oh, sorry. It's dirty though. Sorry for my language. Gotta clean each side up nice and clean the top too. You'll need more paper. Just spray some here. Hold on, put you on forward. There we go, clean the top now. Remove all that dust with the sides too. Clean everything. Move that. Okay. Spray one more time. I'm just cleaning the inside of the AC. Because I noticed that, what's it called? This AC doesn't cool like it used to. Since there's so much dust inside it. And it's about done. Now that we've cleaned inside the AC, now we have to step 7, we're gonna have to insert the filter to the AC and add the cover. You can see I already connected what's called the filter, and now just the cover. Just put the cover in. Now the 9th step is what's called reconnect your AC. Connect it and power it on. And usually, when your filter is dirty, it's gonna say filter reset. It's gonna have an orange, what's it called? An orange color. I already clicked it. That means your filter needs to be changed. I already clicked it. So yeah, that's the last step, 10th step. And these are my method was like logos. Here's the first step, second step, third step, fourth, 5th, 6th step, 7th, 8th step, 9th, and 10th of how to clean your AC filter. Sir.